today we have here a 2018 Suzuki Vitara. We are here to install the Android CarPlay. We are here to change the old stereo. And this is what we are going to use to take the old one out. These are the tools we are going to use. Right. So let's get right into it. Let's go. Alright. So we are taking this whole console out. We need to get it popped out. So it was seriously tight, so I had to loosen it a bit. So let's get it out. Alright. So now we have the whole console out. So come, take the camera close. There are two star screwdrivers here. We need to get them out. And then this thing comes out. So let's loosen this screwdriver. Then to the next one. Right? Yeah. So now we need to get this thing out. So let's pop it out. Yes, that's it. So once it's out, you need to check beneath it. There is one socket here for the hazard. You need to get it out. Yeah, then the whole thing comes off. So then you take all these hammers out. So now we have the old stereo out. This is the harness for the old stereo. And this is the old stereo. So we'll take all these clippers out and then we'll get the hazard out as well onto the new console and then we'll take it from there. Alright, so this is the harness for the Android one. This is the Android we are about to install. Apple Carplay one. So let's quickly get the harness slot in. Antenna, okay. Alright, set. This is for the rear view camera, so you need to fit this in, and this cable will be laid right from this point to the back. That's for the camera cable. Okay, so let's fix it. We need to get this hazard from the old console, so you just press it down, then it pops out. This is it. So we need to as well take these things out, the lockers. So let's get them out. Okay. So we need to fix this hazard that we took out of the old console inside the new console. So you just slot it in like this. That's it. Okay, so now we have a cable-like USB ports, two of them available. We have this other phone, the GPS antenna available. So let's pass this USB cable here. Here's the best part for it. Okay, so that's it. Alright, done on here. So this is the GPS antenna. Okay, this is coming right here. Okay, so now all is set. Let's fix all the harness. Let's connect all of them. So first of all, let's connect the USB. Okay, this is for the camera, rear view camera, and then this is the main power source. So after plugging in the main power, you can got to plug the radio antenna too as well. Yeah, that's in. And let's not forget the hazard connector. Okay, so I think all is set now. Can fix this. Just push it in. It's a bit hard, so you just have to apply more pressure, and then it goes in. Right. Okay. The engine is on now. Okay, so now the system is booting. Everything works perfectly. Everything was well connected. As you all know, M4 deals do it diligently. So let's wait. We'll try every feature for the customer to be satisfied with everything before we leave here. Okay, so now everything is working. Everything has been tested. So let's fix this final control parts. So let's just gently place it into right whole holes. Then you just apply a bit of pressure. Start from this end. Okay. You just need to be very careful they are entering their holes well, so you don't end up breaking the wire. Alright, the steering controls have been set already, so let's check them out if they are working. Oh, okay, they're all working. The volume up, volume down is working. Let's try the mode. Oh, the modes too are working. Okay. Alright. Okay, so now we are connecting the Apple Carplay to my phone. So okay, so now it's connected to my phone. So this is the Apple CarPlay. Let's check the maps. Of course, maps are very important. So let's say Accra Mall. Oh, okay, it works perfectly. So let's try if it's gonna sync with my phone. Oh, it works here too. I can start it here and then. Yeah. Also, you can also key in your destination here. So let's say Palace Mall. Right. You can turn on my data. Yeah. So once you click on it, works here too as well.